Die immer größer werdenden Hygiene- und Sauberkeit.
Increasing demands on hygiene and cleanliness are becoming a challenge for the market. With an eye to overcoming this challenge, we'd like to introduce our BlueEvolution steam suction systems to you today. Until now, the only way to meet these growing requirements has meant a very labor-intensive conventional cleaning process. This traditional cleaning process costs a lot of time and patience and is often not an easy experience, especially when it comes to deep cleaning grime that's accumulated over a long period of time. The level of effort that goes into conventional cleaning is clear to see in the following images. Multiple process steps and thus a lot of time are needed to get the floor truly clean. It involves getting the hose, applying the solution, waiting 15 minutes and then arduously scrubbing away. And afterwards, a dirty scrubber and even more work. Rinsing with water, draining or mopping it up and then letting it dry. With a steam suction system, on the other hand, you do it all in one step: vacuum, mop and dry surfaces, without using any cleaning products. We'll now show you just how easy the process can be. Our steam systems can handle each of these tasks in a single step, eliminate dirt and all bacteria in a totally uncomplicated, effortless way. HACCP certification means that we don't just create the appearance of cleanliness. The process is truly hygienic, especially in difficult-to-reach areas like corners, ceilings, under cooling units and cabinets. BlueEvolution steam suction systems really show off what they have to offer. Thanks to different attachments, BlueEvolution can reach these areas perfectly to steam and immediately vacuum dry again. Of our steam suction systems is that we help protect the environment with 93% water savings At BlueEvolution, we take sustainability very seriously. This is good not only for the environment, but also for your wallet and flow. But even stubborn and years-old crime in almost inaccessible places is no problem for our steam cleaners. Last but not least, BlueEvolution steam cleaning systems ensure hygienic cleanliness in food processing areas within minutes. Imaginative and efficient, well-designed and thoughtful, precise and qualified, environmentally friendly and portable, effective and powerful, professional and flexible, versatile and reliable. In short, BlueEvolution.